It's Sunday, November 11th at about 1 o'clock. I'm going to go into Auckland now to take a look around. I would have gotten an earlier start, but it was on and off rain this morning, along with very high winds. Looks like right now we have a clearing, so I'm going to try to get in and see Auckland. I've learned to my surprise that, first of all, in Auckland, there is no metro from downtown Auckland to the airport. The only way you can, if you don't drive yourself or if you don't take a bus provided by by a hotel, the only way you can get into downtown Auckland is by hiring a taxi or taking what they call the Airbus Express. You see the bus right here. The taxi is far too expensive. The Airbus Express costs roughly about $23 American. On a round trip ticket. It takes you all the way downtown, about 5 stops in Auckland. I'm going to get off at the last stop, which is actually the ferry building right down by the waterfront. The ride takes about maybe a half hour, assuming the traffic's okay. We're looking at traveling the distance of about I'd say about 13 plus miles. For this trip, I'm going to keep my comments to an absolute minimum, if not at zero, until we get into Auckland. Before this Airbus Express is truly an express, it stops at the domestic terminal after the international terminals.
On Kiwi International Hotel, KR City Travellers, VK Hostel, Waldorf Apartments and Scotia. Cozy Kiwi backpackers, the Rendezvous Hotel, the Scenic Hotel, the Oaks and the City Line.
We're in downtown Auckland. The bus will make about 3 stops at various hotels, and we'll get to the final stop, which is the historic ferry building down by the Auckland waterfront. That's where I'm going to be getting off. The street that we're on is a famous street, actually the most cosmopolitan street here in Auckland, which is called Queen Street.
Street Backpackers, Fat Cattle, Nomads, Mercure Windsor, Quest on Queensland, Plaza, Grand Chancellor, Isabel Suites and Auckland City Travellers. Past up is the ferry buildings, the Hilton on Princess Wharf, the Cove on Key Street, and Britain buses and trains.
Here we are at the Auckland waterfront area. I'm getting off, and we're going to first start exploring the waterfront.
White captain.